Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Fridays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America, to help you discover interesting destinations throughout the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Thank you for joining today's podcast episode of Immigrants in the United States of America. Today, we will focus on Maestro Sersea's ebook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America. Today, we focus on Chapter 3, National Park Expeditions, with subchapters Yellowstone National Park, Geothermal Wonderland, and Grand Canyon National Park, Nature's Masterpiece. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 3, National Park Expeditions. Yellowstone National Park, Geothermal Wonderland. As the wheels of my trusted car turned onto the Yellowstone National Park road, a sense of anticipation and excitement washed over me. The park, known as the world's first national park, beckoned me with its promise of captivating landscapes and extraordinary geothermal features. With each mile that I drove deeper into the heart of this natural wonder, I couldn't help but wonder what spectacles awaited me. Yellowstone National Park, spanning across 3 different states, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, is a geological marvel like no other. It is a place where Mother Earth, in her wisdom and artistry, displays her vibrant palette of colors, her powerful bursts of steam, and her mesmerizing dances of water and fire. Throughout my journeys as a passionate driver, I have explored many places in the United States, but Yellowstone holds a special place in my heart. The first time I set my eyes on the iconic geysers of Yellowstone, it felt as though I had stumbled upon a mythical wonderland. The most famous geyser in the park, Old Faithful, was my first destination. As I gazed at its towering column of hot water shooting high into the sky, I was reminded of the power and unpredictability of nature. Old Faithful earned its name due to its dependable eruptions of steam and water, occurring approximately every 90 minutes. To witness this colossal display of nature's force is a magical experience. While Old Faithful is undoubtedly the star of the show, Yellowstone is home to countless other geysers, each with its own unique personality. Passing by the Upper Geyser Basin, I found myself surrounded by a symphony of bubbling, gurgling, and hissing sounds as the geothermal features whispered their stories to the wind. Excelsior Geyser Crater, once the largest geyser in the world before its eruption in the late 19th century, still emanates a mesmerizing cloud of steam, as if yearning to reclaim its former glory. Leaving the geysers behind, I continued my exploration of Yellowstone's geothermal wonders, venturing into the vibrant world of the hot springs. The Grand Prismatic Spring, the crown jewel of Yellowstone's hydrothermal features, beckoned me with its kaleidoscope of vivid colors. As I followed the boardwalk encircling the spring, I found myself captivated by a mesmerizing spectrum of blues, greens, and oranges, expanding in concentric circles before my eyes. It was as if I had stepped into an otherworldly painting, created by the hand of a master artist. Beneath the captivating hues of the Grand Prismatic Spring lie untold mysteries of nature's alchemy. The hot waters that fill the spring carry mineral-rich sediments, creating the perfect conditions for a diverse array of bacteria, which in turn produce the stunning colors. The combination of steam rising from the depths and the sunlight filtering through the mist creates a scene that is utterly enchanting. The delicate balance of nature is on full display here, urging us to contemplate the interconnectedness of all living things. Apart from its geysers and hot springs, Yellowstone National Park is also a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. As I drove through the park, I encountered a plethora of creatures, both big and small, going about their lives in harmonious coexistence. The bison, with their massive frames and majestic presence, grazed peacefully in the meadows. Herds of elk gracefully wandered through the forests, their antlers adorned with regal beauty. And occasionally, if I was lucky, I would catch a glimpse of a wolf, a rare creature that perfectly embodies the wild spirit of Yellowstone. The wildlife of Yellowstone is a testament to the park's commitment to preserving the ecosystem. It is a delicate balance that requires our utmost respect and responsibility. As a seasoned driver, I cannot stress enough the importance of treating these majestic creatures and their habitats with the utmost care and consideration. To witness them in their natural habitat is a privilege, and it is our duty to ensure their continued existence for future generations. As I conclude my exploration of Yellowstone National Park, I am left with a profound sense of awe and reverence for the remarkable forces that shape our planet. This geothermal wonderland, with its geysers, hot springs, and diverse wildlife, is a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of the natural world. It is a reminder that, as passionate drivers, we have the privilege and responsibility to explore and appreciate the magnificent landscapes that this great country has to offer. So, my adventurous fellow travelers, let us continue our road trips across the United States, with our eyes open to the marvels that await us. Let us embark on journeys of discovery, not merely for the adventures and sights we seek, but also for the profound connection we can forge with the world around us. Let us drive with a sense of wonder, knowing that each mile we cover brings us closer to the untold stories and hidden treasures that lie beyond the horizon. Until we meet again on the open road, happy driving, and may your journeys be filled with the kind of awe and wonder that only America's natural wonders can provide. Grand Canyon National Park, nature's masterpiece. As a seasoned driver who loves exploring the United States, I have been fortunate enough to witness the grandeur of the Grand Canyon on numerous road trips. Each time I approach the park, my anticipation builds, knowing that what lies ahead is a sight that will take my breath away. The journey to the Grand Canyon is just as awe-inspiring as the destination itself. The drive to the Grand Canyon takes me through vast stretches of highway, surrounded by the diverse landscapes of the American Southwest. From the arid deserts of Arizona to the towering mountains of Utah, the scenery changes with each passing mile. The anticipation builds as the road signs start to point towards the Grand Canyon, signaling that I am nearing my destination. Upon entering the national park, I am immediately struck by the sense of tranquility that washes over me. The noise of the world fades away, and I am left with nothing but the beauty of nature. My first destination is the South Rim, the most popular and accessible area of the Grand Canyon. I park my car and make my way towards the rim, eager to witness the breathtaking vistas that await me. As I approach the edge, the enormity of the canyon becomes apparent. The canyon walls stretch out before me for as far as the eye can see, layered with vibrant shades of red and orange. The depth of the canyon is unfathomable, and as I peer over the edge, I feel a sense of both excitement and vertigo. The vistas are unlike anything I have ever seen before. It is as if nature herself has painted an exquisite masterpiece, and I stand in awe of her artistry. I take my time to explore the different viewpoints along the south rim. Each offers a unique perspective of the canyon, allowing me to see its grandeur from various angles. From Hopi Point to Yaqui Point, every spot reveals a new facet of this natural wonder. I find myself constantly reaching for my camera, trying to capture the immensity and beauty of the Grand Canyon, but no photograph can do justice to the experience of standing before it. As I walk along the rim trail, I come across fellow visitors, all equally captivated by the majesty of the Grand Canyon. Some sit in silence, lost in contemplation, while others excitedly share their awe with friends and family. It is a place that evokes a sense of wonder in everyone who visits. The silence is broken only by the sound of the wind rustling through the trees and the distant roar of the Colorado River below. After spending hours taking in the vistas of the South Rim, I decide to venture to the North Rim, a less visited but equally breathtaking part of the Grand Canyon. The drive to the North Rim is an adventure in itself, with winding roads that lead me through dense forests and picturesque meadows. The change in scenery is refreshing, and I am captivated by the serenity that fills the air. Arriving at the North Rim, I am greeted by a quieter, more secluded experience. Here, the canyon takes on a different character. The cliffs are steeper, the vegetation is lusher, and the views are more dramatic. I find myself standing on the edge, my heart pounding with a mix of exhilaration and reverence. From this vantage point, I can see the Colorado River snaking its way through the canyon, a ribbon of life amidst the vastness of the rocks. As I sit on a bench, taking in the beauty that surrounds me, I am reminded of the timeless nature of the Grand Canyon. It is a place that has existed for millions of years, shaped by the forces of nature. It is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. The Grand Canyon teaches us humility, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. It is a place that invites introspection and reflection, a place where one can truly connect with nature. As the sun begins to set, the colors of the canyon come alive in a breathtaking display. The golden hues of the rocks turn to shades of pink and purple, casting an ethereal glow over the landscape. The canyon seems to come alive, radiating a warmth and beauty that is almost otherworldly. I find myself lost in the moment, mesmerized by the sheer splendor of the Grand Canyon. Leaving the Grand Canyon is bittersweet. I am filled with a deep sense of gratitude for having been able to witness such a majestic wonder. The memories of the breathtaking vistas, the towering cliffs, and the mighty Colorado River will stay with me forever. The Grand Canyon is a testament to the power and beauty of nature and serves as a reminder of our duty to protect and preserve these natural treasures. And so, I get back in my car, my heart full of awe and appreciation for the road that has led me to this extraordinary place. As I drive away, I know that I will return to the Grand Canyon someday, to once again stand in awe at its grandeur. The road trips across the United States may take me to many incredible destinations, but the Grand Canyon will always hold a special place in my heart as nature's masterpiece.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.